So the next thing we're going to do to turn this kayak into a fishing kayak is we're going to put some more handles on it. I do have this handle in the front and the back used for carrying, but I wanted to put some on the sides. So I'm going to put one here, and we're going to put another one over here. They're going to be staggered, so that way, let's say if I'm in the water, I can pull the kayak towards me. I can use them as grips for anything. I like handles. We can use it to carry the kayak. One person could grab a handle on each side. So we're going to do that. And since we're going to be grabbing it, we're going to use this wood on the inside of it to support it, because we're going to be, pulling on it and stuff with the handle. The paddle holders don't need any supports underneath because the paddle is just going to be sitting there. We're not yanking on this. But this handle is going to be yanked on. So we want to make sure that it's well supported, because the kayak is just plastic. So we're going to put these supports underneath. So I went ahead and put the handle on there, and I made 2 dots of where I need to drill the holes. So we're going to go ahead and drill the hole through the wood. So we got our holes in the wood, which line up with the holes in the handles. Now we're going to go ahead and put some holes in the kayak. Alright, so we got our 2 holes on one side. We're going to go ahead and put the bolts in the handle and place it on there and tighten it to the wood on the other side. Well, the piece of wood I had was too thick for the bolts that came with this, so I'll have to get a thinner piece, but this is what it will be looking like. You got the handle here for carrying it, for moving it around. The bungee, we're going to put a clip here, and the bungee is going to hook onto that clip that's right here, so we can store stuff under here as well. We're going to drill our holes on this other side. Put on the second handle here. Put on the bolts on the inside. There we go. Got our handle here. Got our other handle here with the bungee. We can also use as a paddle holder or for storage. We got our paddle holder that we put on. And next we're going to be putting together the anchor cleat. Because of course, if you want to turn a kayak into a fishing kayak, the main thing you need is an anchor. That way you can drop your anchor and fish as you need.